Hi everyone, in this video let us discuss the problem longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string is, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. So substring is nothing but it is an part of the string which is from left to right continuous. So here you can take the example ABC ABC AB, and here the output is the longest substring is ABC without repeating characters. That is, the answer is ABC with the length of 3. So we have ABC, again we have ABC, so both have only the length is 3. Now you can see all are repeating, so any one thing you can take, the length is 1. And now the answer, now PWWKEW, here you can see the longest substring. If you start from the first character P, W and W, when you check the W, so it is here just it's a repeating. That's why you need to skip, you should go K. So you can take suppose WKE. The WKE is the substring which is continuous with a length of 3. Notice that the answer must be a substring. Suppose there is PW and after KE, if you skip W in the middle, is a subsequence. Subsequence means it is not continuous but it is read from left to right only. And so that's the thing, it's a subsequence, it's not a substring here PWKE. So that check for only substring. So how to uh, try this approach? So if you take example here PWWKEW. So if you have this string PWWKEW, so as usual a string means nothing but it's an character array, right? So let's, so the array just first try to traverse. So it is the 0, it is the 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. So first the algorithms is actually we will use here a sliding window. So let us observe that first start with the P. So when you start with P, just simply because we need to find the longest substring without and repeating characters. So whenever you see the repeating characters, these things, you can simply take a set set of that characters. So hash set, when you try to add any elements in the hash set, the type is characters, then whenever there is a duplicate it won't take it. So similarly just first take the P, just take a loop from I from 0 to I is less than of your the length of string and I plus plus. And then now here uh, so first like just take the hash map, actually hash set, then just put into set that set dot add of whatever your that current character. So suppose for now I just put into P here. Then so every time when you keep checking, right, as you go away, just keep one max length at beginning. Suppose you just try to uh, keep updating the max length. Suppose that max length is nothing but it will be like math dot max of first whatever up to there. Suppose when suppose you come to here next, so then when you comes here, then W will be added, right? But before that, always point something W start. Why? Because when you find any duplicate, uh, so you should remove it, that's why. So now P comma W is there. So here the length is nothing but your current high. Suppose your current I here is 1, that minus your w start is 0 and just plus 1. So I minus w start plus 1, this is the every time the current length. And then also just check if it is or max, any either one which is the maximum value. So the things comes here when you go to again w, it is repeating. So up to here the length is 2, but when you comes here the length is 3, it's fine, but you can't take it. W is repeating, that you can know by here. You need to check here while set, if the set contains of that character. So suppose the w is, yeah, when you check up to here, it's your set have already pw, right? Now you are checking the w is there. So first remove the this w, but you can't remove directly. You can't remove directly, it is string, so you need to start removing from beginning. That's why I'm taking the w start. So what you do, just check if the set dot contains that character, then w start, it's nothing but just uh, move to the next. Suppose w start here, then it will move here. And when w start is here, and then check again if dot contains of that character, yeah, it contains. That's why just again make it w start move this side. Now when w start so when w start comes here, right? So every time just keep also removing that element at beginning. When you are moving w start before, just remove also that set to dot remove of your w start of that index character, that character remove. So suppose you removed w, and you removed, first you removed p, and then you removed w. Now when you comes here the w start, uh, so it not contains it, it will come of the loop. So now again add that w, and the length is now 1, but the current length is 1, but max length is already, it's a pw2, right? So max length will be 2. So now go to wk, so w and k will be added, and then go to e, wke will be added. At this moment the length is 3, right? But here the max length is 2, so 2 comma 3 will take 3. Now again go to w, yeah, now here the problems come again, w come, just it is the set contains the w. That's why you should keep removing from beginning. So you just remove so already your w start here, so just remove this w start character, w is removed, and you are ahead here. Still w is there, so remove, it will be 0. So that's how like you will use this sliding window concept. So let's try to understand another concept. Suppose take abc abc bb. So here the abc bb, take that example. So if you take ABC, ABC, BB, a clearly shown either this one or this one. The longest substring without repeating character is the length is 3. But algorithm how you should write is first try to check each letter, uh, put in the set A. At the beginning your W start will be 0 only, right? Then go to here, yeah, the set is B. It down go to here, the set is C. So up to here that your length is I minus w start plus 1, that is 3, and also the max length also 3. But when you comes again a is repeating, right? So that's why will the w start will move forward. Also the w start character we will remove. So at this, when is w start is here, the length is 3. Again if you go b, it is repeating. So that's why we'll every time we'll check while our set dot contains of that whatever that current element. Because if it is there, then we should not keep adding it. So let's discuss this algorithm. So the algorithm is the same. The hash set of character set is a new set, and first we're taking w start and length and max length. And now it is the starting element to end, we are taking that loop e0 e less than dot length e plus plus. So when you're going inside, while set dot contains of that s dot character of e, so at any time if duplicate is there, I need to remove. We can't directly remove duplicate, we need to remove from starting. So that's why I will first remove s dot character of w start, that is start element. Again sub start plus plus, and again, because it is under the while loop, it will again check and will keep remove until it's there is no duplicates. And after it will go set dot add s dot caret of e, that means it is added in the set. And then length, the current length you are getting it, and also max starting will be 0, every time we'll get max. So whenever you're getting current length, but the old previous max length also you should keep on track, so you will return max. Yeah, that's it. This is about the problem, longest substring without repeating characters.